In this video, I will explain how to create a bar plot using Matplotlib in Python. Bar, bar plots are mainly used to compare different categories. A bar plot shows data using rectangular bars, as you see here. Each bar represents a category and the height of the bar represents its value. It helps us to easily compare values across categories. So to do that, first we can import the plot as pyplot, and let's create a data. So we have the 4 categories and corresponding values. Now to create the bar plot, we use this function plot.bar. In that we have at the x-axis we put the categories and y-axis we put the values. Now to add details, we can give the title and X label and Y label as category comparison, values and categories. And finally, to show, we can use plot.show. From this plot, we can clearly see that the value across the different categories and the D has the highest value. Unlike line plot, which shows trends over time, a bar plot is mainly used for comparison. So this is how you create a simple bar plot using Matplotlib. Now to improve our graph design, we can add extra parameters to our function. Here we can change the color, the bar width and the border color as well. So while setting that, our bar graph looks much better. Right now we are using Matplotlib for plotting the bar graph. We can use a Seaborn library, which is a library created on top of Matplotlib for creating a bar plot much easier way. For that, our data has to be formatted into a data frame format where each column gives the each axis values. X-axis values is put in the category column and y-axis values in the value column. And we use this function SNS is Seaborn dot bar plot, and the data has to be given as here data is equal to df, and which column has to be picked up for x and y is also mentioned. Finally, when you show, you get the same bar plot using Seaborn. You can add subcategories. So right now we have categories A and B. You can add subcategories to group various bars together. For that, you can add an extra column which shows the subcategory. Here the subcategory is mentioned as type. So we have X and Y for each A and B categories. Now when we plot, you need to add the subcategories as hue. And when you show the plot, you get a beautiful bar chart with category and subcategory, which will give you more clear information about how the data is, to compare the data values of different categories.